Hello, and welcome to another update video on Bonk. The Bonk chart remains caught in a correction. We've been in this pattern now for the last 2 weeks, 3 weeks. The structure hasn't changed. We're still looking at this as a corrective pullback in a larger uptrend. And the support area is still located between 22917. That's the 50% retracement and the 23.6 retracement at 31002. As you can see, we have entered recently, just a couple of days ago, we have entered this support zone. And normally we say that an ideal target for a fourth wave is the 38.2 retracement, and that's located at 26231. And in this support zone here, we can easily form a low now at any point, right? So it's basically waiting for Bonk to form a low to give us some kind of a signal of an impulsive upside reversal. Up here, this was really just sideways action and just really a sideways consolidation pattern without any evidence that a low has formed, because this was really just sideways triangle pattern movement, right? So absolutely no low confirmation. Then the price formed another low, which gives us a clear 3-wave move down now. I mean, this here was just a mess, but now at least we have a clean A, B, C structure, and that C wave to the downside should usually unfold as a 5-wave move. So wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, we can get another 4-5 pattern. Now, that being said, it could always be a more complex W X, Y structure, and the low could form at any time. This is where levels are more important than microstructures, because there is a pattern that's called a WXY. It's not uncommon in crypto. It's still quite rare, yeah, but it's not the most common pattern. But a WXY, you want to be prepared for that. After a 3-wave move down in wave Y, the low can easily form at any point, especially if the price is so close to ideal targets for a 4th wave pullback, like in this case. Yeah. But until the market actually breaks impulsively above resistance, one more low remains the preferred scenario, because an ABC structure, just statistically speaking, is typically the most common pattern, and that would involve now a C wave that could unfold in 5 waves and should send the price maybe a little lower, with maybe one more low into the lower half of the support area. So basically into this region between 22917 and 26231. That means if the market really has to, we could go a little lower, like even another 18% down would be possible. To be honest, from the top, the price already dropped over 30%. Doesn't look much on this chart, but it actually was quite substantial. But it is still, it's still shallow enough to call this a 4th wave. It's definitely healthy enough, this wave 4. Okay, the wave 2 down there was tiny. Wave 4 is quite large, but we haven't even reached, nearly reached, but we haven't reached the 38.2 retracement level yet. So yeah, basically just watching for an upside reversal from here. It would require a 5-wave move up, an impulsive looking upside reversal, and a break above 31457 to suggest a low has formed. That's the update on Bonk. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, you're invited to join us on X. If you're interested in further updates, if you want to join the community, sometimes we do special chart analysis here on X. There are additional updates and much more. Check it out. I'll leave a link in the description and in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.